Did you know that having difficulty waking up in the morning can indicate that there's a dysfunction in your stomach with your digestion? What? And this is something that we commonly ignore, but we shouldn't. I know that I look a little tired this morning, but that is my digestion, and I know that there's dysfunction there. And it's something that I'm currently working on. But these are symptoms that you should be paying attention to. If you are having to drag yourself out of bed every morning, it could really indicate that there's a dysfunction with your digestion and it's beginning in your stomach. So, one of the things that I love to share with patients, because this is the simplest thing you can do for yourself, assuming that you don't have something more chronic like a pernicious anemia or you've had part of your GI tract removed. So if you are just the average person that's having difficulty getting out of bed and it could be stomach related, the best thing for you to do is to take some ginger. I love to have people take ginger tea. And raw ginger for a cold digestive system is not necessarily ideal. So some people will juice it, and that's better than not taking it at all. But I love to have people take a ginger tea. So making your own tea with the ginger, where you're actually boiling it and steeping it and drinking it that way, is going to be best. And as long as you don't have an allergy to it. So please, if you have sensitivities, then just start small. Start small. And ginger is pretty intense, but it does help rebuild the stomach lining. Great, right? Who doesn't need a little bit more of that? It also stimulates bile secretion, which is, important for digestion. So this is just a helpful tip to get you started in the morning. I'm not saying don't drink your coffee, don't do your regular routine, all that good stuff. All I'm saying is try to incorporate a little bit of ginger tea to help rebuild that stomach lining. Obviously, be careful if you have ulcers or any other issues in the stomach. Start small to see if you can tolerate it. But this has been a great way for quite a few of our patients to be able to get off of PPIs. If you guys have ever heard of proton pump inhibitors, it's not necessarily a good thing for your digestion. Maybe temporarily it gives you some relief, but in the long run, it's not something you want to be on long term. So one patient, for instance, was on PPIs for 13 years. 13 years, and it's an inhibitor. So it inhibits certain processes in the body, natural processes in the body. So that's not something we want to keep the body from doing, something that's natural to it. But we can help regulate it. And ginger has been the key for these patients to get off proton pump inhibitors. Absolutely amazing, and it improves their digestive system exponentially. So if you're struggling with getting out of bed, feeling tired in the morning, don't ignore that symptom. Do something about it. Take some ginger, and then click subscribe, the notifications bell for if you found value in this content. If there's something that you have done for yourself to get some relief from this morning fatigue. I know everybody's into this coffee, the mushroom drink in the morning, rise, I think it is. And I think some people like it, some don't. But let us know what you're doing to get up and get going in the morning. Thanks and have a great day.